interaction welding plays a significant role in the fabrication, erection, and commissioning of planes and machinery for power, petroleum, mechanical, steel, and other industrial sectors. Whether failures when they to occur during fabrication or service involve considerable rework apart from production and production time and material losses, welding failures, and their repair impact the productivity and safety in any in any industrial organization. Objective: the objective in carrying out this case study is to introduce the world of welding and how to operate welding tools, as well as how the welding process is produced to students. In addition, it is also to help beginners and students to become more proficient in welding process techniques.
Okay, so first question is the best method for steel pipe for oil and gas industry is oxy-gas welding. The reason is because steel melt at the temperature above 1500 degree. The mixture of oxygen and acetylene is used as it is only gas combination with enough heat to weld steel. Oxy-gas welding or oxy-acetylene welding, commonly referred to as gas welding, is a process which relies on combustion of oxygen and acetylene. When mixed together in correct proportion within a handheld torch or blowpipe, a relative hot flame is produced with a temperature of above 3200 degrees. The chemical action of the oxyacetylene flame can be adjusted by changing the ratio of the volume of oxygen and acetylene. For question B, the best method for welding of bicycle frame is arc welding. It is because naval alloy are more resistant to heat, weakening them, and welding is easier. In addition, welding a bicycle frame requires a lot of control over your heat. For arc welding is a type of process using an electric arc to create heat to melt and join metals. A power supply creates an electric arc between a consumable and non-consumable electrode, and the base material using either direct or alternating current.
Lastly, for the conclusion, at the end of this study case, we can learn a lot about welding. Among them, that we can learn how to weld and much more. We also can use this knowledge of welding in our daily life to overcome our daily problem, such as question A and B. Finally, we can know the most important thing, which is safety when welding, whether in the workshop or outside the workshop. Thank you.